Welcome to my vlog! Miss na ubi ang mata, miss na ubi.
Parang old town tong rugal nito.
Welcome to my vlog!
Diyan ginaganap yung Comic Con yun, oh. Kaya ang daming tao dyan, oh. Ayan. Diyan ginaganap ang Comic Con.
No, not those ones. I mean,
Si Hulk Hogan nandito, eh. Namatay na ka. Namatay na si Hulk Hogan, eh. Nandito pa rin. Dami. Ah, tarap pila yan, ah. Hindi ako magtatsaga magpila dyan. Oh.
Even.
Haba ng pila, oh. Anong costume niya, nak?
I feel like I'm
Sino yan? Powerpuff Girls. Powerpuff Girls. Ay, ito. Bibili ako ticket. Maaga pa lang.
wala na to, patapos na to.
Patapos na to. Doon na yun. Ganyan.
Pag wala kang ticket, wala ka masyadong mapunta.
Why was I that?
Magandang pumunta dyan sa loob mismo kasi yung ticket niya.
Wala na dito. Mga ano na to. Eh dito kami nag-i-event, eh. Wala man lang silang ano, party restaurant. Wala silang party restaurant dito. Wala silang ano, portable. Saan tayo?
They gave a case away in the morning. They didn't have to do it at work.
No, I did contact, but it was like, yeah, well, good, and we were good for a
tayo? Ikaw?
Ano tayo?
Yo, pahinga muna tayo dito. Ano? Balik na tayo? Ikaw?
Ano tayo?
Yo, pahinga muna tayo dito. Taas ng building na to. Pero ano yung pundasyon niya, makitid lang oh.
Palit lang yung load eh. Taasan na lang.
Tinaasan na lang nila oh.
Someone used to go there.
Nagtahimik ko yata ngayon.
Nagbabasa eh.
Nagtahimik yata ng mga bata na yan. Enjoying? Are you enjoying?
Ano, walang pa.
Hindi ko alam kung yung mga yun umiikot lang pa ganun eh.
Hindi.
Ito mga to, isang dami nila eh. Umiikot lang ba sila pa ganun?
Gumawa sila, yun. Ayo.
Hindi ka naman nauuhaw. Mommy got ice? You want ice? Yung station nandun ulit eh.
Ha?
Layo na ulit ang station.
Oo. Iba ito eh. Ibang ano yan eh.
Papuntang ano yan? Papuntang iba na yan.
Kaya sino yan?
Hindi ko alam.
Dad, I'm sorry.
Oh, tindi oh.
What's going on, folks? So if you want the ice cream, it's actually going to be over by the Hilton. Park's empty, unfortunately.
Yeah, everyone's like, how'd you get here? I was like,
Yeah.
I don't know, I just asked her for her. Yeah, I let her know where it was going to be.
Down.
Yeah.
So Brian, you're smoking a whole bunch. See, look. Thank you.
So I'm trying to get one of them over as quickly as possible. If we have time, I'll run over.
How's it going, folks? If you want the ice cream, it's actually going to be over by the Hilton. There is a line over there. Unfortunately, there's nothing in this one.
Balik tayo doon. Doon?
Balik na doon?
Oo. Ang palagi mo? Ha? Hindi pala tayo makakapasok eh.
Ha?
Hindi pala tayo makakapasok eh.
Makakapasok? Sabi ko nga sa'yo, hindi ka naman makakapasok.
$30 daw sabi ni Michelle sa ano. Excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Here for the bare minimum, 24 hours.
Naruto.
Ha?
Part ng Naruto. Si Kenji kasi ano.
Lalakad.
Ayun. Part ng Naruto yun. Para makilala ko ibang mga karakter, ibig sabihin marami-rami na rin ako napanood na anime. Diyos ko. Kasi si Jomal, sisimulan yung anime, tapos ako magtatapos eh.
Anong pamilya yan?
Hindi, malakaw ka na?
Hindi.
Dr. Zeus.
Dami tao.
Nood ka
Mga
ng
naglalakad.
anime, tsaka ng cartoons, makikilala mo sila.
Give me share. Oh no, this is like this. I think this is supposed to be like something like this. Yeah. No, that's fine. Don't worry about it.
Ayan o.
Pati yung trolley nakadimas layer. Akala ko pinuntahan talaga. Hirap lang pala.
Ano lang yan? Sticker. Sticker lang yan.
Nakarap na lang.
Thanks for watching.